Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now. As you can tell, today we're doing a very bold, super warm and hot smoky eye. We have some very nice, dark, intense eyeliner and some long, fluffy lashes. I don't know why I did that with my hand, but I just felt like doing it. If you're bolder than me, you can definitely wear this look with a nice, dark, red lippy, but I just decided to go with something a little bit more toned down. And to be honest with you, I think that I found my new favorite lip color. Like, I think that this looks so good on my face. I really hope you guys like the look, and without losing any time, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off by priming my face, and I'm gonna use the primer water by Smashbox. And this thing fell on the ground the other day, and the spring, how we call this, the spring thing kind of broke. I mean, it's still working, but it's not as smooth as it used to be. However, I really love the product, so I'm just gonna spray it on my face. For foundation, I'm going with the Estee Lauder by Estee Lauder. This is a double wear by Estee Lauder, and I'm gonna mix it with the Catrice Prime and Fine lightning drops because I have the double wear in ivory nude, and it's a little bit dark for me right now, so I have to mix it with something to make it lighter. So that's why I'm doing that cocktail, and with a sponge I'm gonna apply it all over my face. And that foundation is a little bit pricey, I know, but honestly guys, this is one of the best foundations that I've ever tried. Like, it looks amazingly natural on the skin, and in photos, in real life, everything looks so smooth, so like skin. This has been my go-to foundation for the last, I don't know, for the last month or something, and I absolutely love it. Next, I'm moving to the brows, but I'm cleaning them up from that foundation that I bring on them. It was not on purpose, but somehow I always end up with foundation on my brows, and I hate it. And now that they're nice and clean, I'm gonna brush them with the Brow Conditioning Primer by Benefit. Just brushing them upwards. And this is going to prime and keep the hairs in place for the entire day. I'm also filling them in with the Brow Gel, again by Benefit. I have this in the shade 3. So filling in the gaps, giving them a better shape, making them a little bit more defined. Alright, brows are done. I used some foundation to clean them up and make them a little bit sharper, and now we're moving on to the fun part. So our base is ready. Next are the eyeshadows. I'm gonna use the Stay On Stray eyeshadow primer by Benefit. Also setting it in place with some face powder so that we have a very nice smooth base for the eyeshadows. For today's look, I'm going to use this palette here by Makeup Revolution. This is their Pro HD Socialite eyeshadow palette. And hold on, let me open it. So I'm going to start off with the shade, which one I'm going to use first? I'll start off with this one here. I'm taking it on a big fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M433. And I'm adding that in my crease. This is going to be our transition color. So we're starting off with something a little bit lighter. We're not jumping straight into the dark shades. And it's fine if you bring that on the lid area right here. Just make sure that you don't bring it all the way up to your brow. Next, on the same brush, I'm gonna take this red brick color right here. And this is going in the outer third of my eyelid. I'm also like slightly blending that in my crease. I make sure that I apply most of the product in the outer third, like this. And then whatever I have in my brush, I'm blending it in the crease. Couple of weeks ago, my neighbor decided to learn to play some kind of a musical instrument. I have no idea what it is, but it sounds like trumpet. And you guys, he is doing, or she, I don't know who is living above me, but they're doing rehearsals every single day. It's not that they're playing some kind of a song. It's like, oh, it's the same sound over and over again, like ooh, ooh, ooh. Have mercy. Anyway, going back to our makeup, I'm taking a smaller blending brush. This is the Zwiva 231, and the color that I'm gonna take this time is this brown one right here. I'm placing that in the outer third of my eye, but I won't bring that in the crease, just in the outer corner. This is the first time that I'm using these shadows. I've never did a look with them, and they seem to be very nice and easy to blend. And also, Makeup Revolution is like really affordable brand. When I first started getting into makeup, I was using mainly their eyeshadows, and they're perfect for beginners. Very nice and affordable, and they have so many different colors, so many different palettes. I'm not really trying to blend that color, I'm just placing it here. And then I'm taking again that previous Morphe brush that I used to apply the previous colors. I'm just gonna blend out the harsh edges, just making sure that there are no harsh lines. In the inner corners of my eyes, I wanted to use this shade here, but it wasn't like very creamy, it wasn't really pigmented, so instead I'm gonna use this one here. It's much better because, see, I swatched them also on the back of my hand. This here is the one that I wanted to use, but you know, it doesn't look very vibrant, and this is the one that I'm gonna use now. So before I apply them on my eyelid, I'm gonna use some glitter primer. This is the NYX. You guys have seen me use this so many times. Just taking some of it on a flat brush, and I'm adding it in the inner half of my eye. And then on top of it, I'm packing this color here. If you're wondering why I used some glitter glue, it's because it makes the eyeshadow look a lot more vibrant. It makes it look very nice and metallic. It's boosting it. It's taking it one level up. Taking that Zwiva brush that I used to apply the brown color, just going to make sure that the two colors on the eyelids are very nice and blended into each other. Cleaning up my under eye. I'm gonna make a sharp line here that will help me with the eyeliner later on. And to conceal my under eye, I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is the shade, what it is? 5. That's the shade 5. Blending it out very, very carefully here, next to the eyeshadows. I don't want to mess everything up right now. And to prevent it from creasing, I'm gonna use some loose powder. This is huge. That's a loose powder by Morphe, and you guys, that's a lot of product here. And before you set it, always make sure that there are no creases under your eyes. Like, make sure that everything is nice and smooth, and then go ahead and apply the powder on top. For falsies, I'm going with a pair by Morphe. These are called Hypnotic. Next up is the eyeliner. You can do your eyeliner before gluing on falsies because I think that that's the easier way, because when you have lashes on, you can barely see what you're doing with your eyeliner there. But I decided to switch the order of the things today, so I'm gonna do my eyeliner now, and I'll go with the Schwing liquid eyeliner by TheBalm. But because the tip is like quite long, and the product is not just at the tip, it's basically everywhere on the applicator, so that means that the eyeliner will also go on my lashes. It's gonna be a little bit messy. So I'm gonna take some of it on the back of my hand right here, and taking a small liner brush. This is the Sigma E06, favorite eyeliner brush like ever, and I'm doing my wing now. Someone in the comments on one of my videos was saying that when they're applying their eyeliner, the product also gets on their lashes and then they're sticking together, and after that it's very hard to apply the mascara because the lashes are already like full of eyeliner. And if you have the same issue, that's probably because you're using the applicator that comes with the eyeliner, and as I said before, it's full of liner, like the product is everywhere on it, which means that when you're doing your liner, it's also going on your lashes. So if you want to prevent that from happening, use a brush. That way the liner is going to be just on the tip of the brush, on the bristles, and it will go exactly where you want it, nowhere else. So if you have that issue, try switching to a brush. I have no idea why I have liner on my fingers. Now I'm coating my lower lashes with some mascara. This is by the brand Makeup Atelier. Alright, now I'm gonna add some dimension to my face, and I'm gonna use this color here. This is by MakeupForEver, but I have no idea what it is. I don't know how it's called because I received that in a PR package and it was in a huge box along with some other colors, and when I took it out, it had some glue on the back and it covered like everything, the name and just everything. But I'm gonna try to find what it is, and in the description box I'm gonna have more information about it. But now I'm gonna apply it on my face with the Sigma F15. Adding also some highlighter. This one is by Melt Cosmetics. It's called Stargazer. This is a highlighter by Ofra. It's called Rodeo Drive, and I'm taking some of it on a small pencil brush. That's a little bit too much, tapping out the excess, and I'm adding it in the inner corners of my eyes. I've been trying different lipsticks for the last, like, I don't know, for the last like 10 minutes, and I think that the most suitable for this look is this one here by Nabla Cosmetics. This is called Zen. I have this small tiny dot of eyeliner here for like the entire video. Let me just remove it. Okay, this is the first time that I'm wearing this lippy, but I really love the color. That lipstick feels great on the lips. Now I'll also go ahead and spray my face again with that Smashbox primer water just to set my makeup in place. And we're done. This is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm planning on doing some Valentine's Day looks, so let me know, what do you want to see? Like, do you want to see something more natural? Do you want to see something more dramatic? What colors do you want me to use? Pink or red or something that doesn't have to do with the Valentine's colors that we're used to, like maybe blue, green, I don't know, let me know what you want to see. Other than that, I love how today's look came out, and I think that it's quite suitable for the Valentine's Day. I wasn't planning on doing something for the Valentine's, but you can definitely wear that. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press the bell button next to the subscribe button, because that way you're gonna be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. All of the links will be down in the description box. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!